Winter isn't just a season, it's a magical stage where the world transforms into something extraordinary. From glowing skies to frozen waterfalls, from cozy towns wrapped in snow to natural wonders you'll remember forever. Winter opens the door to some of the most phenomenal travel experiences on Earth. In today's video, we'll explore some of the most phenomenal tourism spots you can visit this winter. These are destinations where nature shows off in full force, and where travelers like you can step into scenes that feel straight out of a dream. So grab your scarf, hold on to your hot cocoa, and stay with me until the end. Because by the time we finish this journey, you'll have more than a few ideas for your next winter adventure. Let's start by stepping into a world where art and adventure meet. Ice hotels in Sweden and Finland. In Sweden, the famous Ice Hotel is rebuilt every winter, with each room carved by artists from around the globe. The beds, walls, and even the glasses you drink from are made of pure ice. Yet, with thermal sleeping bags and warm drinks, it's surprisingly cozy. In Finland, you'll also find igloo hotels with glass ceilings, where you can fall asleep under the stars and the northern lights. It's like living inside a frozen fairy tale for a night. Next, have you ever seen a waterfall stop in time? In Canada, during the coldest months, waterfalls like Montmorency Falls in Quebec or Helmcken Falls in British Columbia transform into massive walls of ice. You can walk near them, take stunning photos, and if you're feeling adventurous, even join guided ice climbing tours. It's one of those rare sights where you realize just how powerful and beautiful winter can be. From icy wonders to artistic celebrations, let's head to Japan. Every February, the city of Sapporo hosts its world-famous snow festival. Here, enormous snow and ice sculptures fill the streets. Some are as big as buildings, shaped like castles, famous landmarks, or even characters for movies. At night, colorful lights bring them to life. Add steaming bowls of ramen, friendly crowds, and fireworks, and you'll see why it's one of the most magical winter events in Asia. If you've ever dreamed of stepping inside a Christmas postcard, Lapland in Finland is where it comes to life. Here, you can ride on husky sleds, meet reindeer, and even visit Santa Claus himself at his official village in Rovaniemi. Stay in a glass igloo and watch the snow fall softly at night, or join a snowmobile safari across frozen lakes. It's both magical for families and unforgettable for solo travelers looking for something unique. Not all winter phenomena are icy stillness. In the United States, Yellowstone National Park transforms into a steaming, snowy wonderland. Geysers like Old Faithful erupt dramatically against white snowy backgrounds. Herds of bison wander through steaming valleys. The mix of hot springs, wildlife, and snow makes Yellowstone a photographer's paradise in winter. It's raw, wild, and unlike anywhere else in the world. Now, let's travel to one of the grandest winter spectacles in the world, the Harbin Ice and Snow Festival in China. Each winter, the city builds massive ice palaces, some taller than a 5-story building, lit up with colorful neon lights. You can walk inside, slide down ice slides, and explore an entire frozen city. It's like stepping into a glowing ice kingdom, making it one of the most impressive winter festivals anywhere. For a cozy and cultural experience, nothing beats the Christmas markets of Europe. From Germany's Nuremberg market to Vienna's Rathesplatz, these markets light up with decorations, handmade crafts, and the smell of roasted nuts and mulled wine. You'll feel the warmth of the season, even in the cold, as you wander through stalls, taste local food, and listen to carol singers. It's not just shopping, it's stepping into the spirit of winter itself. When it comes to winter beauty, the Alps need no introduction. Stretching across Switzerland, Austria, and beyond, they're a paradise for snow lovers. Skiing and snowboarding here are world-class. But even if you're not into sports, the charming villages, wooden chalets, and breathtaking views will win your heart. Places like Zermatt in Switzerland or Innsbruck in Austria are perfect for a mix of adventure and relaxation. Picture yourself sipping hot chocolate by a fire after a cable car ride over endless snowy peaks. That's pure winter bliss. Finally, the Northern Lights, one of the most breathtaking phenomena you can ever witness. Imagine standing under a dark sky when suddenly colors of green, purple, and blue begin to dance above you. In Norway, towns like Tromsø are famous for clear skies and tours designed to help travelers catch this natural show. Or you could visit Iceland, where the mix of volcanoes, glaciers, and the auroras create landscapes that feel almost otherworldly. The Northern Lights are unpredictable, but that's part of the magic. When they do appear, it's a moment you'll never forget. And there you have it, 9 phenomenal winter destinations that show us just how magical this season can be. From the silent beauty of frozen waterfalls to the joyful lights of Christmas markets, from sleeping under the Northern Lights to walking through glowing ice castles, winter is truly a time when the world surprises us. So, whether you're looking for adventure, culture, or just that sense of wonder, you'll find it in these places. Pack your warmest coat, bring your curiosity, and let this winter be the one where you experience something phenomenal. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration, and comment to share your thoughts on this video. Until next time, stay warm and keep exploring.